The best performing sector so far this year is technology. We talked about that yesterday. Today, with just one day left in the quarter, we take a look at the second best performing sector, healthcare. Bertha Coombs has our beat check.
While the White House and Congress struggled to repeal Obamacare, investors didn't shy away from healthcare. The sector gained more than 8% this quarter, outperforming the overall market. Some of the biggest gainers, like insurer Centene, up 27%, stood a lot to lose from the GOP bill's Medicaid cuts.
I think the rollback of coverage and the potential loss of coverage in obviously the most vulnerable, fragile population was a very difficult thing to stomach.
Hospital stocks like Community Health surged even more. Short sellers betted heavily against the shares of the debt-laden hospital operator and Tenet Healthcare, its rivals, because they could see big losses if GOP Medicaid cutbacks are passed. But short sellers cashed out when the GOP bill failed, and the hospital sector rallied.
For the management teams of these companies, now that the decisions they've made to deploy capital and to continue along the kinds of patient care initiatives that have been innovative, in part enabled by the ACA, all of those things can continue.
Biopharma is also in the crosshairs for reform. The president has pledged to pursue drug price negotiations, but the sector has seen its best quarterly gain in 2 years. So is the market betting Republican reforms will stall long term? Not entirely. Mizuho's Cheryl Skolnick says part of the healthcare sector's gains are coming from investors betting that the Trump administration's other priority, tax and regulatory reform, will help push more profits to health firms' bottom lines. Still, Obamacare and reform will be a big theme again in the second quarter when insurers submit 2018 exchange rate plans. David Windley thinks Anthem may cut its overall participation.
It is big in that they are the largest Blues license holder out there, but I think the trend is fairly well established.
For now, with change still up in the air, analysts say it's business as usual for healthcare and it's individual company fundamentals that count. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report.